Now, when we're talking about transformations, a lot of times with coaching, because a lot of us are proud of the coaching process that we can do. Um, the people that we work with are able to accomplish several things with a single package, and that's really great. In order to position it, however, and make it clear to people who are buying it, it's uh, it's easier to create one package for each big complete transformation, whether it's big or small, and you can accomplish more than one thing in a single package. However, you should not create a package that kind of takes people halfway and they're not really accomplishing anything of note. And then you need to purchase another package to get to the full transformation. You can create different packages that kind of build on each other, but they should leave with at least one satisfying transformation at the end of one package. So keep that in mind when you are choosing how you package up your things. So, for example, if you have a big transformation that you can help people achieve, but that takes an entire year, and you want to offer something that allows people to kind of dip their toes into your coaching without signing on for a full year, then you can create a shorter package, but you need to figure out a clear milestone, maybe like a first step towards that big transformation. Because if you only say, hey, you can work with me and we can start on the journey to that big thing, it's not really as tempting or as securing. No, it's not going to feel as safe to invest if they're not sure they can get anywhere with you, even if with 1 month.